Friends, welcome back to Abgi's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price change occur in Steeler Xlm in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. What's changed, what's the high price of Steeler Xlm, I am going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button right now if you listen my voice. So please kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. Now let's see the price prediction of Steeler Xlm in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, absolutely bad news for all Steeler Xlm holders. As you can see here now, currently at this time their falling time starts now. As you can see here, they falls down at this time, and that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour. Currently they are falling down, and the changes is about positive 0.4% change occur in Steeler Xlm in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Steeler Xlm in the last 1 hour is about $0.396878 is the high price of Steeler Xlm in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, my suggestion to sell it, because it is a starts falling time of Steeler Xlm. That is why my suggestion to sell it. Please share your opinion in the comment box as it is best time to buy, sell or hold Steeler Xlm. Share your opinion in the comment box. Now let's see the price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's change occur in Steeler Xlm and the previous 2 hour. What's the change? As you can see here, the change is absolutely good in the previous 2 hour, because at the previous 2 hour they take a jump, but now currently at this time they falls down. That is why I said you to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, the change is about positive 1.21% change occur in Steeler Xlm in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Steeler Xlm is about $0.396878 is the high price of Steeler Xlm in the previous last 2 hour. So friends, please share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abgi's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.